Welcome back to a new episode with It Started with Sawdust. We need to speed up, cause a new tool is in town. The 18-volt XPK02 planer, or also known as DKP181 from Makita. So we decided to start off with the plain tool-only video. A lot of accessories will be introduced in one of our upcoming videos. And it's about time to check the features of the new brushless planer. Let's roll. A spring-loaded foot elevates the base in order to prevent damages to the workpiece. Depress the trigger and the battery indicator kicks in. The depth of your cuts can be adjusted by turning the knob. Steps are in millimeters. The US version comes along with inch increments as shown. Let's move on. As smooth as butter on a bald monkey. But wait, there's more to explore. 3 chamfering grooves for real. Let's give them a shot. The stopper can be easily changed for your needs. If you like to pimp your planer with a Bluetooth asset, you can upgrade with an auto on-off transmitter. This is how it looks like, and you'll find a link in our description below. We still need to order one for our shop as well. If you need to change or sharpen the blades, the planer got a box wrench on board. We save that portion for a separate video. The soft grip handle is like the majority of Makita tools, equipped with a lock-off button. And as you can see, we are preparing the arena for some hardcore testing with impact driver bit sets from various brands. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.